guys, it's Kristen and welcome back to the Gold Project. Today is day 2 of my home purge series. If you missed my first video, make sure you check out the description below and I will leave a link to that video. My first video covered my bathrooms and bedrooms. This video is basically going to cover everything else. My playroom closet, my office, and my kitchen. Now, in the previous video, I mentioned that I would also be cleaning out my living room, but I recorded a little bit of that, and I went through my living room, and my living room basically has nothing in it. Every little area that has some kind of basket or DVDs has already all been cleaned out, so it was kind of pointless to put a video clip into this video because I didn't get rid of anything. So we're going to start out with this video with my playroom closet, move to the kitchen, and then finish up with my office. And just like the previous video, I will give you a glimpse of me cleaning out each area, and then I will share every item that we are getting rid of for that particular area. So let's get started. After cleaning out the playroom closet, we will be getting rid of 4 picture frames, 2 decorative boxes, 2 laptops, 1 CPU, 2 party tablecloths, 1 decorative towel and 2 handkerchiefs, 3 small toys because we had already cleaned out all of the toys prior to cleaning out this closet this summer. 1 chalkboard table runner. 2 tabletop files with folders for a total of 20 items. Now, the laptops and the CPU will be taken to Best Buy so they can hopefully recycle them. I don't think I've ever showed y'all inside of the playroom closet, so I thought I would do that today. Now, I have worked for probably the past year on getting this organized so there is a walkway, and so far I think I've done a pretty good job. So the first thing that you see are 2 little tubs of toys that the kids play with. They're not organized or just thrown in there because I've tried to organize it and it just hasn't worked. Now, on the top right shelf, you are going to see all of my holiday items. So I have my Halloween box, my Thanksgiving box, wrapping type of boxes and bags, Christmas boxes. So everything that you see on the right is contained and labeled with some sort of holiday. In the very back, I've got those apothecary jars that I use for holidays, a blow-up mattress that needs to be put back in its box, the 2 memory boxes that I'm working on for my kids, and then around on the left, I just have some magnetic letters and our Cinderella castle. Next, you're going to see our collection of books, and I have worked on this too. This has been the best process I've came up with so far. I just kind of grouped all of the books by size and placed them in different size bins and baskets that I had lying around in the garage. So far it's working, and we've had it this way for about 6 months. Then we have some divided out toys. So we've got all their puzzles. Then we have all of their just small figurines, and then Derek's 2 boxes of Hot Wheels and tracks. And then the back is just kind of some miscellaneous things, some, let's say, gift tags and pictures, and their card files. Then the little polka dotted bin is what I have all of my vacuum attachments. Then this shelf here, these two shelves are my husband's. They are for tools. And then you see all of my Lisa Frost banners. And I have an Elfa dresser in here as well. And it just has some different tablecloths and things like that. I have my tool organizer on the top, my wrapping paper, and a little caddy that I DIY'd a couple of years ago. And you saw this a couple weeks ago. It just has batteries and command strips and those sorts of things in there, all divided out and labeled on the front. And the little basket there has all of the sliders and things that would not fit in the top. And now I have just kind of cards and stuff that I still need to go through that I haven't, it's probably like a year or two old that I need to organize and decide if I want to keep. And that is basically it for this closet. So far I think it's pretty organized. We just kind of use it for a variety of things, but it's cleaned out and it looks presentable, and we can actually walk all the way back in the very back of the closet, which is considered successful to me. After cleaning out the kitchen, I will be getting rid of 2 candlesticks, 1 mouse-shaped cutting board, 1 set of knives, 1 broken waffle maker that I'm pretty upset about. I'll have to repurchase this because I loved this waffle maker. 1 mini chocolate fountain, 2 heart-shaped pans, a Pampered Chef dip bowl set, a Pampered Chef accent decorator, 2 oven mitts and 1 plastic container, a Pampered Chef pasta bowl and platter set, 1 kids bowl, 1 popcorn popper, 1 heart-shaped mold and 1 football-shaped cake pan, and 1 cookie decorating set for a total of 20 items. After cleaning out the office, we will be getting rid of 9 magazines that I did not get a picture of, 11 list pads, 15 pens, some that do work and some that do not, 7 sets of sticky notes, 5 pouches or bags, and there's 8 in this picture, but I decided to keep the 3 Bagalini ones, 2 hobby holsters and 1 antibacterial holder, and then we have 1 bag of trash for a total of 50 items. And not everything that I'm getting rid of out of the office will be donated. The items that you are seeing here, any type of unused list pads, sticky notes, pouches, all of those items are going in my giveaway bin so that I can gradually give them away to you guys. And I wanted to give you a little look at this little corner in my kitchen. This is my selling corner. So not everything that I have mentioned in these 2 videos will be donated. I am keeping some items to sell. And that is all for day 2 of my home purge series. I hope you all have enjoyed this short little organization series that I've done for you guys. I hope you enjoyed everything in this video that I cleaned out and got rid of. And just like you just saw, I do donate some of my items, but I also, the ones that I feel like I can get a little bit of cash for, I do like to sell those. This year, all of the items that I sell will be going to pay for my daughter's cheerleading. So if you like the home organization type of videos, I hope you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would greatly appreciate it if you do so. I hope y'all have a fantastic week, and until next time, bye guys.